Okay, quick question. What would you do with an extra 26 years of your life? Because that's roughly how much time you'll spend asleep if you live to 80. 26 years. Gone. Just lying there. Now imagine that time back. All of it. Suddenly available. No more alarm clocks. No more hitting snooze 4 times. No more dragging yourself out of bed on a Monday feeling like you got hit by a truck. Sounds incredible, right? Stick with me, because the answer is way weirder than you think. Let's talk about why this actually matters to you, right now, tonight, when you're scrolling on your phone instead of sleeping. Sleep isn't just downtime. It's not your body being lazy. Every single night, your brain is doing secret maintenance work. It's cleaning out toxic waste. It's saving your memories. It's basically running a nightly software update on your entire nervous system. Skip that update, even once, and you feel it. Foggy brain, bad mood, clumsy hands. Skip it for days? Your whole world starts falling apart. So the question, what if nobody needed sleep, isn't just a fun thought experiment. It's actually asking, what if we could rewrite one of the oldest rules of being human? Let's break this down. Imagine waking up one morning and your body just doesn't need sleep anymore. No tiredness, no yawning, no 3 p.m. energy crash. At first, this feels like cheating life. You'd suddenly have an extra 8 hours a day. That's not a small bonus. That's basically adding one full extra day every 3 days. Think about your favorite hobby, the one you never have time for. Learning guitar, writing a book, starting a business, traveling more. With zero sleep needed, you could do all of it without giving up your job, your friends, or your Netflix time. Sounds like the ultimate life hack. But here's where it gets interesting. Sleep isn't just about resting your body. It's about resetting your mind. While you sleep, your brain sorts through everything that happened during the day. It decides what's important enough to remember and what to throw away. It's like a mental inbox getting cleaned every night. Without sleep, that inbox never empties. Every stressful moment, every awkward conversation, every tiny worry, it just keeps piling up. Forever. Imagine carrying every emotional moment of your life with zero filter, zero processing, zero break. That doesn't sound relaxing anymore. That sounds exhausting. And here's another twist. Sleep is when your brain literally flushes out waste. Scientists found that during deep sleep, your brain cells shrink slightly, creating more space for fluid to wash away toxins. Basically, your brain takes a shower every night. No sleep means no shower. Ever. Your brain would slowly get cluttered with buildup linked to memory problems and long-term brain issues. So this superpower of never sleeping, it might actually break the very thing that makes you you. Let's zoom out for a second and ask, why do we even sleep in the first place? Here's a fun mystery. Evolution usually removes things that waste time and energy. If you're an early human and you're asleep for 8 hours a night, you are extremely vulnerable. No hearing predators. No seeing danger. No protecting your family. From a survival standpoint, sleep should have disappeared a long time ago. But it didn't. In fact, almost every animal on Earth sleeps in some form. Even animals with no brains, like jellyfish, go through sleep-like rest states. That tells us something huge. Sleep isn't a flaw in the system. It's a required feature. Historically, humans didn't even sleep the way we do now. Long ago, many people slept in 2 chunks. First sleep, then a few hours awake in the middle of the night to talk, think, or even visit neighbors, then second sleep. Sleep has always adapted to how we live, which raises a wild question. If sleep is this ancient and this deeply built into every living creature, what does that say about a world where we completely erase it? Let's bring this into today's world, because this isn't just some fantasy scenario. We are already living in a culture that treats sleep like the enemy. I'll sleep when I'm dead. Hustle harder. Sleep is for the weak. Sound familiar? We're obsessed with productivity. Coffee brands are everywhere. Energy drinks. Productivity apps. Sleep tracking gadgets that shame you for not getting enough rest. We're not just curious about a world without sleep. We're already trying to build one, little by little, night by night. Look at how many people run on 5 hours of sleep and call it normal. Look at how normalized burnout has become. We treat exhaustion like a badge of honor. So really, this thought experiment isn't just science fiction. It's a mirror. It's showing us what we're already chasing, whether we realize it or not. Now here comes the twist that changes everything. You'd think eliminating sleep would make life better. More time, more productivity, more experiences. But what if the opposite is true? What if sleep isn't the thing stealing your life, but the thing protecting it? Here's the surprising part. Sleep isn't just for your brain. It's when your body repairs muscle, balances hormones, strengthens your immune system, and even helps regulate your emotions. Ever notice how everything feels worse after a bad night's sleep? Small problems feel huge. Tiny annoyances turn into full meltdowns. That's not a coincidence. Sleep is basically an emotional shock absorber. Without it, every stress, every conflict, every hard moment would hit you at full force, with nothing softening the blow. So a world without sleep wouldn't just be a world with more time. It might be a world with way more anxiety, way more emotional chaos, and surprisingly, way less creativity. Because some of your best ideas, they come from dreams. From your brain quietly connecting random dots while you rest. Remove sleep, and you might remove a part of your imagination too. Okay, so what can you actually do with all of this? You don't need a sci-fi world to fix your relationship with sleep. You just need a few small shifts. First, stop treating sleep like a waste of time. It's not lost time. It's an investment in the next day's version of you. Second, protect your wind-down time. Even 15 minutes without screens before bed can dramatically improve how well your brain resets. Third, remember this. A slightly shorter, high-quality sleep beats a longer, restless one. It's not just about hours. It's about depth. And finally, if you ever feel guilty for sleeping enough, don't. You're not being lazy. You're maintaining the most advanced machine you'll ever own. Your own brain. So let's bring it all together. We started with a tempting idea. A life with zero sleep. More time. More productivity. More freedom. But the deeper we looked, the more we realized something surprising. Sleep isn't holding you back from living your best life. It's actually the hidden system that makes your best life possible. It protects your memories, resets your emotions, repairs your body, and quietly fuels your creativity while you're not even watching. So maybe the real question isn't, what if nobody needed sleep? Maybe it's this. What if the secret to a better life was simply respecting the one thing we've been ignoring the whole time?